Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Code in Easy Way. Today our question is, I'm going to solve a problem that we usually solve in C++ and other languages. Let's start. The question is, we are going to arrange these number in ascending order. It's in array. So number is 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 3. Let's save it. Sending .es. Here's a, let's start with the code data segment. Data. So let's name it as array. S word, sign word, it would be of 16-bit, and S sign word in it I can also include. I'm using sign word because of negative numbers. So let's write 1 3 and minus 3. Main talk. Okay, as we are using so 16, it is of 16-bit, so I'm using register AX. So in this first of all we will copy the least or the smallest number in our register. So let's start. It's our array. So array plus as this word is of 16-bit and each word word is of 2 bytes. So at the -3 is at last location, so the 2 byte plus 2 byte, if I want to achieve this location, I have to add in array 2 bytes. So array plus 2 will give me point this location. So I'm adding plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2, which is equal to 10 to point my pointer at this location. Now we are at we have -3 in our AX register. So now in AX we have -3, and our sequence is 1 2 minus 2 3 and -3. If you are confused with this register AX is not anything new, but it is our EAX register. It is of 32-bit and its half part is AX, which is of 16-bit. Now we have -3 in our register. So let's move and exchange AX with array. Now what this function will do, this function will do will exchange the value of register with the first value of array. As we know that the array itself is a address which is pointing the first location of the array. Now I'm exchanging it. So now we have in AX 1 and -3 is on our first location, and the rest of the array is the same. Now next we have to put -2 into this location. So let's change, exchange AX with array 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2, 4 and 6. Now we have in AX is equal to -2 and our array is -3, -1, 2. Now we have value 1 that is exchanged with the -2. So here 1, 3 and -3. Now we have to put -2 at this location. So exchange it again with AX array plus 2 and plus 2. Now we have AX is equal to -1 and our array is -3, -2, 2, 1, 3 and -3. Now we have to change our location. We have to swap -1 with 2. So exchange it again. Plus 2 and 4. Now we have in AX 2 and our arrays -3, -2, -1, 1, 3, -3. So now don't need to change the location of 1. We are going to swap to, we are going to copy 3 in our register. I exchange the value of 3 with our registered value. Exchange AX array plus 2, 4, 6, 8. Now in AX we have 3 and our array become -1, -2, -3, -2, -1, 1, 2 and -3. Exchange again AX with array plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we have in AX -3 and our array is sorted -3, -2, -1, 1, 2 and 3. Now so instead of using loop to display this array, I'm using some function and some register, check it, to display them in the memory. Actually our array was this, now it is sorted. Let's see what its location is now. For this move, ESI is register in copy init offset of array, copy the offset of array like the address, and move in ECX is also a register, and length of array into the ECX. And move registry BX, the type of array, which type of array it is. Now call dump function, dump mem, to check to display the location, to display our these values at memory location. Exit np and end main. So it's all program. Let's run it. Change the directory, move into masm. Now we are in masm. Let's run this program. Let's assemble it. Undefined symbol dump mem. Okay, this is the raw 2m controllers. Let's try again dump mem. I think I forgot to save. Okay, it's assembled now. Let's run it. Let's name AFC. So here's the output. FFD, actually it's displaying the -3 in hexadecimal. FFA -2, quad F -1, it's 1, it's 2 and 3. So if you have any question regarding masm installation or this program, you can ask in comments. I will answer later. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.